Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download PDF24 Creator. So for downloading that, open Microsoft Store. So now here on the Microsoft Store, on the search bar, search here for the PDF24 Creator. So here you can see it is showing. Now click on it. So here is a install button. Now click on install to download it on your computer. So here you can see it is now installing. It is of 421 MBs. Will take a few seconds to minute according to your PC configuration to download. So this is how you can download PDF24 Creator. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.